Hello everyone. Welcome to the How to Create a Website channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 3 useful tools to speed up your WordPress Elementor site. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's dive in. Tools to speed up Elementor on WordPress in 2024. Effective work with Elementor on WordPress requires optimization not only of the builder itself, but of the entire website. In 24, as demands for speed and performance grow, the use of specialized tools has become essential for achieving the best results. In this article, we'll look at 3 key tools that can help speed up your WordPress site and make working with Elementor even more productive. 1. Clearfy, WordPress optimization and cleanup. Clearfy is a powerful plugin that allows you to optimize your WordPress site by removing unnecessary scripts and functions that slow it down. This tool helps you automate many tasks that would typically require deep programming knowledge, such as removing unnecessary shortcodes, disabling unnecessary WordPress functions, optimizing code to improve page load speed. Clearfy makes it easy to eliminate everything that burdens your site while maintaining its functionality. With it, you can significantly speed up your work with Elementor, minimize system load, and improve overall performance. 2. TinyPNG, image optimization. Images play a crucial role in website design, but overly large files can slow down loading times. The image optimization service TinyPNG, ts/tng.com, allows you to compress images without losing quality, which significantly speeds up page loading. This is especially important for sites built with Elementor, where visual elements are key. TinyPNG automatically compresses PNG and JPEG files, reducing their size and consequently speeding up the site's load time. This is an important step in boosting performance and improving user experience, which also has a positive impact on SEO. Number 3, WP Rocket, caching and optimization. WP Rocket is one of the most popular and powerful plugins for caching and optimizing WordPress. It speeds up your site by minimizing CSS, HTML, and JavaScript, creating page cache, and optimizing the database. This tool is especially useful for content-heavy sites with complex structures built with Elementor. One of the main advantages of WP Rocket is its ease of setup. Even beginners can quickly configure the plugin to improve site performance. Thanks to WP Rocket, your site will load faster, which will positively affect user experience search engine rankings. Conclusion. Speeding up your work with Elementor on WordPress is a crucial step in creating a successful and competitive website. By using tools like Clearfy for WordPress optimization, TinyPNG for image compression, and WP Rocket for caching, you can significantly enhance page load speed and improve your site's overall performance. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with new, helpful videos on WordPress and Elementor. All the links to the tools and resources mentioned are in the video description. Goodbye, everyone.